Welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a trade-in we just took in. This is a 2006 Gekko GTO 22. So this is a ski boat. It's 22 feet in length. Right here we have the white upper, red bottom, whole color, which matches the trailer that comes with the boat. Up here in the bow, we do have our flip-up cleats here, grab handle, and then our seating up there as well. Got the gray with the white and red accents, which really ties into the exterior of the boat. And then walking down the side here, we've got our captain's seat and your standard tacks and gauges up there at the helm. We've got a recessed glove box and then also your spotter seat right here. Underneath that is the cover for the boat that comes with it as well. And then we do have the Inmar engine on here. And then taking a look at the swim platform, got a great area to get in and out of the boat with a grab handle and then also another tow point. Guys, this is located here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, or walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.